Yes, good morning children. Yes, already we have started the lesson. Fifth unit. Be reading the treasure within. Okay, this is the interview between Hafiz Contractor, he is an architect, and Miss Bella Raja, she is an editor. Okay, now half of the interview we have completed. Now remaining part is going to be explained now. Yes. Now, did you think that what they taught in school was boring, or did you feel that once you understood the concept, what was being taught, you lost interest in the rest of the lesson? She is asking that, the Bella Raja, she is asking that, sir, already you know the concept of the lesson. That's why you are not having interest, isn't it? She is asking that. And now, how is contractor? Living in a boarding school is difficult. And here, living boarding school, which means it is a place where students and teachers live and study together in safe and secure campus environment. Okay, this is the what's that? Boarding schools. Okay, it is like hostel. Yes. And now living in a hostel is difficult. We were just living from day to day. Nowadays there are so many tests. So many tests we are following. Okay, in those days only one test, that is the final exams. Okay, and FA means units, they will not give you more preference. Okay, and here only one test, that is the final exams, only they are giving the preference. Okay, but nowadays so many tests, FAs and assignments and class tests, slip tests, so many tests we are following. But in those days they did not follow. Yes, there are many tests. Back then, whenever we had tests, we used to just copy. The teacher thought that we had done our work. Okay, in those days only one or two tests are there. So at that time he just used to copy from others' books. Okay, others' papers. Then the teacher thought, yes, he is a good student. So he wrote himself. She thought like that. And next, Bella Raja. There is a contention that giftedness and learning disability go hand in hand. Do you think this applies to you? She is asking, that Bella Raja is asking. There is a proverb, like there is a word, there is a sentence or quotation, whatever, just to see. And there is a word, there is a contention. What is the contention? Giftedness and learning disability go hand in hand, which means gifted person might have learning disability. Does it applies to you? Is it applies to you? She is asking. And now HC, Hafiz Contract. Yeah, take some students from my class, those who always stood first or second, or today are doing just ordinary jobs. Yes, of course that applies to me. In my class, I am very backbench student. I am just like backbench student. I did not study well. But so many persons, so many students are there. Every time they got first class or second class. But now, just they are doing ordinary jobs. Okay, now I am one of the leading architects in India. And now they are doing just ordinary jobs. Yes, that is applies to me. Bella Raja. Yes, I have come across this situation in so many different places where people tell that their class toppers are doing just very ordinarily today. And yes, I also agree with your proposal, sir. Yes, I agree with your statement. Yes, the person who got first rank in the class, definitely they will do very normal jobs. I agree with that. Yes, Hafiz Contractor. In school, I think living our lives, they made us street smart. I have learned more by doing what I did my own that academics would have taught me. And here he is saying that now I am doing so much work. Okay, this work, everything what I am doing, those skills came from my work. My work means here games or anything. Okay, I did not get anything from my school. I did not get anything from syllabus. I did not get anything from academics. Just I learned these skills from my work or my games. Yes, Bella Raja. That is because the personality and skills were there. You are able to find expression manner you are comfortable with. You defeat every rule so that nobody would stop you from doing what you need to do. Yes, here she's asking, what sir, whatever you wanted to do, just you are doing. Nobody is stopping you, and you are not giving preference that what they are telling to you, isn't it, sir? She's asking. I was more interested in other things. Yes, of course they told me just prepare for the exam. They told me just prepare for the examination, but I don't have any interest. I was more interested in other things. For example, while in class, the teacher is teaching something in the class. At that time, what he is thinking, just to see. Yes. While in class, it started raining outside. The teacher is explaining something. At the time, okay, outside it was raining. I would think of flowing water and how to build dam and block it. I would thinking about the flow of water within the dam and how much water the dam would be able to hold. That was my interest for the day. The teacher was explaining something in the class, but he did not care for it. And what he is thinking, I would think, yes, here outside that rain is coming. At the time, I would think the flowing water. Okay, the water is flowing, and he was thinking that how to construct the dam. Okay, the dam will, how much water to be hold. He is thinking only those things. Only that is the interest I have in those days. Yes, and this is the interest in his school days. Okay, now he is saying one more interesting topic. Just to see. When student lost a button while playing or fighting, they would come running to me, and I would cut a button for them from chalk using a blade. Here, what he is doing, just to see. Okay, in class, students, they are fighting themselves or they are playing in the class, whatever. At the time, the button will go away. Okay, at the time, the student will come to him. The student used to come to him, prepare a button for me. Then he cut, yes, just to see the piece of chalk, and from the piece of chalk he cut in round shape and he prepared a button like this. See, okay, he prepared a button like this and attached the button to the shirt. Yes, here, yes. Why he prepared like that? Discipline in the school was very important, and no student could afford to have button missing. The student would get past dinner with the full neat uniform, and after that he did not hand up. Okay, the student must be in the uniform. The uniform also should be in neat way. Okay, that's why the students, those who have lost their buttons, they came to Hafiz. Then Hafiz prepared the button like this and he attached the button. After completing his lunch or dinner, after that it's no problem. Yes, he prepared the button like that. Yes. Coming to the present, now Balaraja is asking that. Now in the past days he has explained. Now Balaraja is asking that, come to the present. Coming to the present, how do you decide as to what kind of structure you want to give your clients? Now she is asking, sir, so many customers, they are coming to you. Okay, then which type of construction, which type of structure do you want to give to them? She has asked that. Now Hafiz contractor. As I look at the client's face, his clothes, the way he talks and pronounces, the way he eats, and I would know his taste, how it would be like. Yes, easily I can understand. I'll observe each and everything, how he eats, how he pronounces, the way of talking, the way of he is handling, the way of he is eating, the client's eating, everything I observe. Okay, easily I can understand his taste. His taste, how it would be like, I can understand. Easily, yes, I can relate to the people in the way would be comfortable. I sketch very spontaneously on paper on spot. That paper I gave to my people in office. Okay, I observed the client, okay, how he behaves and how he talks, how he eats, everything I observe. Okay, I can understand what is his taste. Immediately I draw the sketches. Okay, I can draw the picture, means whatever the house, whatever the construction, immediately I can draw it. Okay, the clients likes very much. I will give that paper Yes, Balaraja. Did you do it instinctively? Instinctively means naturally. Sir, you are doing all these works, all these things, all the designs. Is it instinctively? Instinctively means naturally. Okay, she's asking. Call it instinct, call it arithmetic, whatever. Now it comes to me like mathematics, putting design, construction, psychology and sociology together and making sketches from all that mathematics. Whatever you call it. Whatever, call instinct means call it natural or call it arithmetic, whatever. But now it comes to me like mathematics. Whatever it is, but it comes to me like mathematics. Putting designs, construction, psychology or sociology together, making sketches from the mathematics. Everything I learned from maths. First in the starting days he said that I don't like maths. I don't like math subject. But whatever he is doing that work comes from maths. Yes. Here almost come to full circle where Mr. Contractor has derived his own interpretation of mathematics, taking it from the subject he hated to a subject he now loves dealing with the subject. Before he hates that subject, he hates mathematics subject. Now he is dealing with the subject. Now he loves the subject very much because he is working in that field. Now this is the lesson, the treasure within, part 2. We have completed now. Yes, this is the interview between Hafiz Contractor and Balaraja. I hope everybody understood the lesson. Thank you.